Good sound. Portable. Bluetooth. This is a new Beosound Explore. Can I review this? Let's go. Okay, first, what was in the box? Speaker, carabiner, quick start guide, and USB-C to USB-A cable. Now, specs. Look at this is a different design. Anodized aluminium, polymer, and fabric are used for the design materials. The weight is a little too much. It is 637 grams with carabiner. Without carabiner, it is 631 grams. It has 360-degree sound direction, and the frequency range is 56 to 22.700 Hz. The quality bass capability of 59 decibels SPL is also included. Beosound Explore has a nice design, but what are its features? Stereo pairing is available on this speaker between two Beosound Explores. The new Bluetooth version of 5.2 has been given. Beosound has added a great feature to this, which is IP67 dust and water resistant. It can even withstand being submerged in a meter of water for up to 30 minutes. It has a big battery of 2400 mAh, and up to 27 hours of typical listening playback time is provided. A standard charger 6.2 watt is here, and it takes 2 hours to get the full charge. The charging type is Type-C. Battery levels can be found in LED, Precise Status, and Bang & Olufsen app. Finally, the price. It is $199. Are you asking me if this is a better price? I think it's a little too much. In my opinion, I love the design of the speaker. This speaker has up to 27 hours of playback and IP67 water resistant. I haven't seen these features in any Bluetooth speakers for a long time. Overall, this is a great Beosound Explore, but the price is a little too much. Was this video useful to you? Please comment. Did you like this video? Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.